Today we're going to look at the guess and check problem solving strategy using the messy space framework. I'm going to start by reading this sample question. Jamie went out to her grandfather's farm where there are chickens and pigs. There are a total of 26 heads and 68 feet. How many chickens and pigs are on the farm? So I'm going to start with phase 1. What do I already know? So I already know that there are 26 animals, and I know that my solution must have 68 feet altogether. I also know that chickens have 2 feet, whereas pigs have 4. What do I need to know? I need to know how many chickens and pigs are there. Let's look at phase 2, messy space, using guess and check. So we start this problem solving strategy by attempting with a solution and checking if that's correct using information in the problem. If you make an incorrect guess, please don't view this as an error, because the more unsuccessful attempts we make, the closer we are in fact to getting a more educated and a correct solution. So I'm going to start by making my first guess. So let's say there are 13 chickens and there are 13 pigs. And we're going to check if we have the right amount of heads and the right amount of feet to solve the problem. There are 26 heads. 13 times 2, because chickens have 2 feet, plus 13 times 4 will give us 78 feet. So we're a little bit too high. I'm going to make another guess. Let's say there are 20 chickens and 6 pigs, giving us 26 heads, and 20 times 2 plus 6 times 4 is 64 feet. So we're quite close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease the amount of chickens we have and increase the number of pigs to see if we can get that number a little bit higher. Let's say there are 18 chickens and 8 pigs, giving us 26 heads, and 18 times 2 plus 8 times 4 equals 68 feet. So it seems like we have a correct solution, but let's check it in phase 3, our clean answer. 18 plus 8 equals 26 heads. So that works. 18 times 2 plus 8 times 4 equals 68 feet, which also works. And we know this because 36 plus 32 equals 68. So if I was to provide a worded answer, I would say there are 18 chickens and 8 pigs on the farm. And that is how you use the guess and check problem solving strategy using the messy space framework.